This is TECNO SPARK GO 2022, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can clear app cache and data on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then find and enter the App Management category. From here, go for the List of all apps or App Settings. Find the app that you would like to clear the data for, so let's say I'll go with Firefox. Then go for the Storage and Cache, and in here, if you would like to remove only the app cache, you're gonna tap at the respective Clear Cache option to your bottom right, and as you can see, the cache was successfully erased. If you would like to delete all user and app data that it has, go for the Clear Storage option then, and hit the OK button, and as you can see, it was cleared as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for this short and simple video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.